Vermont's current and former federal prosecutors tapped to be state Supreme Justices. Christina Nolan served as the U.S. Attorney for Vermont during the first Trump administration and resigned in 2021 during the Biden administration. She has since worked in the private sector. Michael Drescher is Vermont's current acting U.S. Attorney and has worked in the office since January of 2002. The appointments come after the retirements of Justice William Cohen and Karen Carroll.